What's going on, YouTube? I just want to make a quick video because I went online and I tried to find a video on this and I couldn't find what I was looking for with the YJ Jeep. So what I am wondering, or what I was wondering, is how to attach your like trail trash bag to your YJ Jeep without having, you know, strings running from your roll cage or, you know, some janky looking thing. So this is what I've come up with. Hold on, sweetie. My daughter right there. Say hi.
Hi.
So this is what I came up with right here. This might not be for everybody, but this was the easiest, and I already had these little, I don't even know what they're called, carabiner clamp thingies. Anyways, I just measured evenly, welded them both in, and literally all you'll do with your bag is throw it over. One-handed is kind of hard, but you'll slap it in like that. Pretty self-explanatory. Slap it in like that. Alright, watch out. I'm gonna shut the door. Boom. There you have it. Looks nice and clean, and you know, it's symmetrical. That's another thing. I didn't want it, you know, my bag looking like that, or if you ran strings from your roll cage, it would just look a little janky to me. So this is what I have done, and it works really well. No issues at all. Super stoked with it, and you know, you got plenty of room to pop your stuff in. And there you have it. So I looked online on YouTube and could not find anything in regards to this one issue that I had. And so hopefully this has been helpful for you, or at least given you, if you don't do it this way, which I understand this is kind of a little janky, like you gotta weld, you gotta, you know, it's not the cleanest setup, but it's cleaner than other options that you could do. So hopefully this at least has helped you kind of get an idea of what you might want to do. If it has been helpful, or if you have decided to go this route, comment down below or like this video, and you know, if you want to subscribe to my channel, that would even be better. I would really appreciate that, and get you know, get going. So awesome, guys. Stay posted for more videos. Just got the roll cage powder coated the other day, and blowing money is looking mighty fine. So yeah, if you want to see more videos on my Come and Swap Jeep, there's 2 videos that I've picked specifically for you. And don't forget, keep grinding, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.